Today, we are proud to be co-sponsor of Big Five Global. This is Big Five Global is one of the main platforms that in the region. And that's something that help bring everyone together, contractors, developers, and designers, and system integrators as well together, and technology providers. So it's a great opportunity to connect, understand, and collaborate with many companies to support the growth in this region, this digitalization journey of this. Right, let me give you a brief about Nemetschek Group, who we are and what are we doing. Nemetschek Group was established in 1963. We are over plus 60 years old company that focus in the technology of the built environment. We own and operate 13 brands globally. The entire life cycle of a building, from the planning and design, from build and construct, and from the operate and maintain. So we cover the design phase, we cover the construction phase, and we cover the operate and maintain phase, including the utility management and others, all right, including digital twin, all right. Companies today, we are bringing 8 brands of Nemetschek, Allplan, Vectorworks, and Graphisoft from the BIM authoring tools, and we have Celebrity for the clash detection, Celebrity for clash detection, and for compliance check. We have companies that like Bluebeam for collaboration tool to bring industries and different divisions together to work seamlessly. And from the utility and asset management, we have Spacewell is one of the main brands that in the region that we are expanding rapidly here. Plus the digital twin. On top of all that, we're working with bringing all the AI hub of Nemetschek. So Nemetschek Group was established by Georg Nemetschek. He is a Professor Georg Nemetschek. He is engaged with the academia sector, and he is aware of all the technologies that are happening globally, and that's something that's how Nemetschek started. So aside from technology, we also work with the academia sector. We activate, we enable universities, and we are here to support the young generation as well.